Hi, good morning, YouTube. It's Saturday morning. The tropical storm, I guess it's a tropical storm, Nestor just blew through here. We've had heavy rains. It's been pretty damn windy. They were saying gusts into the 40s. So I'm going to take a walk out to the beach. We're on Bowman's Beach, and we're going to go see what it looks like out there. And a few minutes ago, the sun was out. It was nice and shiny, and now it looks like it's going to rain again. So let's get out there. We'll take a look. And of course, I have the new microphone on, and I have the dead cat on, but it's really windy, so I'm sure it's going to be noisy when we get out there. All right, I'll cut back in a little bit. It's getting louder and louder. I don't know if I'm hearing surf. I don't know if I'm hearing the wind in the trees. As you can see, it's blowing pretty hard. Okay, thanks for coming along. Going back to the car. As you could tell, it was kind of nasty out there. And of course there's a lot of people out there shelling. Nobody is finding anything. We have to wait for the wind to die down. You have to wait for the tide to go out a little bit, and I'm sure there'll be all kinds of shells out there then. Alright, as usual, if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.